it gives you just a little bit, and so I'm gonna split the difference in the slop from left to right, and before I tighten up the screws. Okay, that way all the blades are at the right angle. Does that make sense to you? If you had this, see it gave me just a little bit of a slop. If you have this blade over to the left all the way, this next one over to the left all the way, the next one over to the right all the way, over to the left, over to the right, they're not all going to be exactly even all the way around, and it could give you a slight wobble. Just that. Okay? I'm gonna wager they don't even tell you that in your directions. I just don't think they do. They probably just are like, yeah, just screw it in there and be done with it. Make sure I was hitting it, and now I can see it's kind of dark where I'm looking, and I'm just kind of going with the feel. Okay, so before I tighten it, see how there's a little bit of a slop to the left or right, and let's get this one. Make sure all my screws are in there. I got just a little bit, and so I'm going to take it off just a hair. I went all the way to the left, and then I came back just a hair. Okay, and that way it'll get me in the very center. Okay, just make them snug. And if your fan ever wobbles, it might. I mean, I go through all kinds of stuff on certain videos on fan wobbles, and there's lots of things that could make a fan wobble. Your screws could be loose. This could be off-centered a little bit, and so you'd have to take it back down, take it apart. For this particular one, you'd have to take it out, pull it back down on the floor, take the trim off, take your mounting extension off and stuff, and it could be your little set screws on this. Maybe that's loose. Maybe your set screws are slightly off, and it's preventing this from being perfectly straight up and down. Maybe your knuckle is loose, and son of a gun, these. I hate how most ceiling fan companies do this. This knuckle, we'll get to it here shortly, but see, this knuckle attaches onto here, and the only way it attaches to be tight is this screw right here. Well, this screw only is a friction tight, and onto this rod, this screw doesn't go through. They should have had a threaded hole on the inside so that this screw could go all the way and tighten down onto that. And then they could have also put another one of those screws on the other side so that you have two of them, you know, but they never do that. So ultimately what's going to happen down the road, depending how often you have the ceiling fan on, this screw is going to come loose. When that screw comes loose a little bit, this is still up there, but it's this, I call it this black thing, I call it a knuckle. That knuckle is then going to be loose on your extension riser rod. Your extension rod is what this piece here is called. Okay, that could be shaking a little bit. And can you see how that could make your ceiling fan wobble? Just because this screw is loose? Yeah, just because of that. That's one reason why ceiling fans start wobbling. And you could see once that screw gets loose and the fan starts shaking like this, it's going to loosen the screw up a little more. And then it could also loosen up other screws. Like this mounting extension has threads on it. Some don't have threads. It might just be a rod that pushes down in there, and then you've got some screws on the side, and it also has this to get tight that way. And you tighten down the screws on the rod, and you have to make sure that the rod is standing perfectly straight up and down. Because if it's slightly off and you've got your screws tight, that could make your ceiling fan wobble. Just having your fan not straight up and down. On this one, we're not really going to have that problem as much because there's threads on here. We're going to screw the threads in. We screw the threads in far enough, and then we can get this rod pin through. There'll be a hole. There's a hole here on both sides, so you have to screw this rod down far enough so it feels pretty snug. And then you've got to have the threads lined up with this rod so you can fish the rod through there and put the cotter pin on there, and then you put the little set screws on the side. This thing is always going to stand straight up depending on how well they did the threads and the threads on here, you know what I mean? But that could be another reason why your ceiling fan wobbles. And you know, you could also have I wasn't even going to talk about wobbly ceiling fans, but you know, here's the mounting bracket, okay, that we're going to be installing up there. And if your mounting bracket, if the screws are loose, this thing could chatter back and forth like that, like that, ever so slightly, with this spinning. And then can you see how that could make your ceiling fan wobble? So then you got to get up there, take the trim off, get up there with a screwdriver, make sure that's tight and all that. That could make a ceiling fan loose. It's all the different things go hand in hand. Is screws. And I had some ceiling fans I used to work on in Maui when I lived in Maui. And we had that was ceiling fan, and it was from Fanimation. It was called the Islander. And all the fan blades were bamboo. They were pretty slick. They looked really nice, but they always would wobble. And the bamboo ones, there were different brackets. And if the bamboo bracket and the blade wasn't attached on the bracket exactly right, you could have this blade slightly cattywampus from the actual mounting bracket, so to speak. And I would get up there all the time and just reach this, and sure enough, it would just be flopping back and forth because the screws were loose. And then there were other screws on that, the mounting knuckle, all that. And I was constantly making money fixing wobbly ceiling fans. Okay, so there's your little segment about how to fix a wobbly ceiling fan. Okay, so now I'm gonna tighten up these blades the exact same way I showed you how to do these. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.